let me know if I must send it to you.
So how many things does it have? The one from Reddit?
There's a couple in there. Okay, there's a couple of duplicates also, but yeah, that's a smaller one than the one I have on my practice files. So just let me know if I must send that, because that's big as well. There's about 10 objects inside an array there.
Okay, yeah, you can send it.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
So guys, this is what I have. Well, I think this is the one file. So I have this file here. I don't know. I was talking to Raisa about it because we've done this twice already, and I don't know what more I can do.
So
It's definitely gonna be a very short session. This one.
yeah, it's fine. Can you please make your text bigger?
Are they gonna be? This is all this.
No. Just control.
Is it big enough?
Yeah, this is perfect.
So yeah, we'll do the errors, and then we'll move on to try catch, and then try and debug one of my projects.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this here, this is what we have here. What do you think is gonna happen with this one?
I think it's gonna be false.
Yeah. What do you think, guys?
Oh no.
Yeah, false.
Why is this like this?
But I'm thinking that type you're using type of as a function.
Yeah.
It's not. So I'm thinking maybe it's gonna give you a reference error. Or it's gonna be false, I'm not sure.
I say false.
Yeah,
but since we're doing errors in the session, sure. Okay, because look now, if we work through it, okay. So the every method returns Boolean.
Yeah.
Array.every, okay, x, okay. So type of element equals string. So just okay. I think this is gonna give now I'm looking at the double equal to sign, okay, because it's most just value if it's double equal. If it's triple equal, and then it's value and type. So I'm saying I'm leaning to I'm leaning to false, because that object isn't a string, a type of string.
I'm leaning towards a reference error, because you're trying to call type of
as a function.
Yeah.
Type of okay. Let's just run it. Maybe that type of is in the correct order. Okay, yeah.
It's false.
Yeah. Well, Sibusiso had me thinking that, because I know sometimes the syntax of the type of is I wasn't 100% sure of that, because maybe the X needs to be before the type of or something like that. But yeah.
Oh, okay.
yeah. So then this is right like this.
Yeah, every function returns false, true or false. It returns a boolean. So if the condition is true, it's gonna return true, and if it's false, it returns false. So let's move on to the next
No, hold
one.
on. With the type of because it confused me the way you written it. So if you do it like that, it just works fine.
Yeah.
Type of. So so what were you thinking? Like
Takes the type of the
No,
input,
usually the
whatever.
syntax of type of, you just say type of and then space and then you put the whatever you're trying to find the type of.
So let's do it like you say.
type of X.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I think it
Okay.
works the same way.
Oh, the same way, yeah.
This is another way of doing it.
So okay, I just let me just see the syntax quickly. The type of, if it's a method or not, because before it was in brackets. So
But usually they don't put the brackets when you do type of. You write it like this. But that's why it kind of confused me.
yeah.
I always use the brackets. What do you use, right?
Oh,
No, I don't use the brackets. Yeah, I don't use it. I just say type of and then the data type next to it, or the variable, yeah, or the callback in this case. So let's see, data type, yeah, because it's not really a method; it's just like a checking type of thing.
Okay. I usually use the brackets because I don't use type of like for something like this. In this case, when there's just a simple thing on just checking the type of X, it's usually just checking the type of the return value of whatever thing that I was doing.
Okay.
So this is another insight. So moving on to the next one. So what do you guys think is happening here?
I'm seeing a type error.
Okay. What do you see, Rice?
Sorry, a syntax error.
Okay.
Oh yeah, syntax error. Okay.
Yeah.
Not type.
Why? It's gonna say syntax error and then
missing closing bracket.
Yeah, missing closing.
On line 9, on line 10.
Yeah, it's gonna be something like that. And then yeah, the syntax error. Last time we discussed this. It's something if you do something that's not familiar with JavaScript, like maybe you write a function, that if you write this and then you forget to put these errors, that's a syntax error. And then if maybe you forget to put the brackets here, that's also a syntax error. And then moving on, we also have this function here. So what do you guys think is going to happen here?
I'm seeing a type error.
Yeah. What do you think?
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. It's going to say type error. Okay. Because every is not an array. Yeah.
Array is not an array.
Oh, something like that. Yeah.
Or maybe every is not a
function, or every is not the function. Yes.
R dot array is not a function.
Yeah. Because it only works on arrays. Yeah.
There's a correct. And then let's move on to this one. So what is happening here?
Okay. I think you must still comment the top one.
No.
Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Sorry. Okay. Sina, can you make it a little bit bigger, please? Little bit. Yeah. No, just one back. Yeah. One less.
I think maybe it might give us a reference error.
Yeah. Why?
Because fruits is it's being defined on line 15. I mean, right on line 15, and then used again, redeclared on. I mean, redefined on line 11.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I agree. It's
So
going to
it's
say, yeah.
a reference error. What's the message?
I'm not sure if it's a reference error or.
I think it's a reference error because it's the same.
It is a reference
11,
error.
11 and 15, yeah. So it's basically, what did I want to say?
Accessing something before you initialize it. Or...
Yeah, it's either that or no, not assignment to const. Yeah, I'm leaning towards what Sibusisa says. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a correct. Cannot access fruits before initialization. So we defined fruits here. We defined fruits on line 15, and then here we're calling fruits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is going to happen in this part?
So I don't think anything is gonna happen here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Now we're gonna see a syntax error. Is it? Okay, let me check the brackets first. Oh, okay. That's fine. Yeah. So now it's gonna. Yeah, I think we're gonna get a range error or the while loop is gonna go.
What you said last week?
Huh?
Remember what you said last week about a while loop and a console log?
Oh yeah.
This thing.
It's just gonna keep on printing.
Yeah.
Because when it gets to 1, it's gonna get into the while loop and it's gonna go forever. So
yeah,
that's what I'm thinking is gonna happen.
So what is it going to log in the console?
I think on 0, because it's that while loop on 21 doesn't stop. So 0, 0, 0 forever. And then it never exits that while loop. And the I can never increment to 1. So yeah.
I'm thinking it's gonna be 1, 1, 1. Because on 0, it's gonna go to it's gonna pass the while loop and then increment the I, and then it's only gonna get inside the while loop when it's 1, because it's truthy. It's a
Truthy. Hmm.
One,
Okay, so while I. Okay. So yeah, it is truthy. And then yeah.
0 is false. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
seems correct.
Yeah.
So we all agree it's gonna print out 1 forever.
Yeah.
So we move on, because I did this thing because of last week's session. I wanted to revisit it. And then now we move on to this one, to the next one. So what's happening here?
This one is gonna give us the, is it the call stack thing? The call stack exceeded, since it's a recursion without a condition.
Yeah. What do you think, Rice?
Without a stopping condition.
Yeah. Okay, let me just think it through quickly. That. Okay. With that. And then. Okay, so it's going to get to a point where you're calling fruits.rest with undefined. Okay. And then it's going to, yeah, then it's going to give an error, maybe cannot array slice, like a range error. And then you're going to slice from undefined. I think it's going to be that error. And it could be.
It's not a method, because
yeah,
it won't be an array, it will be
undefined.
No,
yes.
but you can slice a string.
Yeah, you can slice a string, yes, but it will be the undefined type. Yeah.
Well,
So I think it's that.
try and slice undefined.
Because I think it's only a string and a array method. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think it's that, yeah. Cannot read properties of undefined. Yeah.
Type error.
So what is this one? This is.
Yeah, I think it's type error. You cannot read properties of undefined. Yeah.
Okay. Remember, guys, last week we said if you keep on calling the function with no terminating condition, it's just gonna keep on running forever, and then gonna get a range error.
Okay, so it's range error.
Yeah, which was what's the difference between this one, between the while loop with the console log, and then when you keep on calling the function.
Yeah, so yeah.
Then it runs forever, and then this one this one reaches the maximum call stack, function call stack. So we got the range error.
The range
Size exceeded.
Yeah, at the rice slice fruits. Okay.
Yeah. So I wasn't sure what I was doing here, but I was doing something. I was doing something. I wanted to create the terminating condition for the first function for this one. So we're gonna slice until we get to 0, until the array dot length is 0, until it's empty. And then when it's empty, you return an empty array. Or let's just slice until 1, and then return that array. So yeah, we have the rest. This is the results that you're gonna get if you keep on slicing. And then what? Yeah, I think here we can all just discuss this.
Yeah. Okay, let's take it line by line. Okay, so there's 3 in it. Okay, it skips that on 35. And then on 38, it says dot slice from banana. Okay, till the fruits function call. Okay, with banana and pear, that 2 elements in it. Okay,
Yeah,
still doesn't equal 1. And then
yeah,
we slice it again from pear.
yeah,
Okay. Oh, so you added apple again. Okay. And then now rest only has pear and apple. Okay.
yeah.
And then we slice again and then we call fruits with pear and apple. Okay. And then we slice it again from apple. Okay.
Yeah.
And then fruits. Okay, wait, from apple, yes. So the length is now 1. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna return apple, okay, inside an array. Okay, so apple is gonna be inside an array, and then that's inside an array.
Okay, let's try and run it. Yeah, there's gonna be April, but you know, oh, what I wanted to do was, it's not to return. I don't want to return the last element. What I wanted to do was to push to result. Yeah, what I'm doing here is to push to results and then return the results. And then I think what I need to fix here is the terminating condition, is the base condition. So if array.length equals to this, let's just return.
Yeah, I'm thinking it will never reach line 43 because of line 39.
Yeah.
Because of line 9.
I think also
you're gonna keep calling fruits until it terminates on line 36.
What would be the best? What would be the best terminating condition here?
If array length is 1, you can either just return array or yeah.
No array because
Yeah, I think now it's gonna. Oh.
no because but it's gonna be an empty array, so I think we should just return the array.
So if this is this here is just gonna return the array with the last element in the array.
What do you want to return? What
I want to return. Yeah, now I'm confused too.
Okay, Sina, I think your
array with.
Sina, I'll just listen quickly. I think your indentation or your bit here, I think when you save it or whatever, it's a bit, because yeah, it should be like this. Okay, and then it should return the results on line 44. Yeah, that's what I think. Because after the slice, you're just calling it and then you're returning that basically. You're storing that value in a slice variable. And then results.push, and then we're spreading the sliced. Okay.
Yeah.
But
And
do you
then
think it will ever go to line 42?
42. Yes, it will, because we're just storing whatever fruits and rest as a parameter returns. Rest as an argument returns. Yeah. So basically, on the first call, okay. Let's see, rest is the loaded slice. Okay, so it's from banana till end on line 40, and then 41 is fruits rest. So with banana, pear, apple. Okay, it returns that array and it's stored in the slice variable. Okay,
Yeah.
and then on line 42, okay, we're gonna push the sliced spread, okay, inside of the results, and then it's gonna return banana, pear, and apple.
Yeah, that is what I wanted to do. I wanted to have banana, pear, and apple, and then pear, apple, and then apple.
Okay, but then you're gonna have to take that return statement out.
Which one?
On line 44, because it's going to go straight to line 44. Yeah, and then you're going to
Not define.
yeah. The thing is now,
Oh yeah,
then,
because it's returning.
yeah, and then you're gonna have to log results on line 43, because if you're gonna return the results and then it's gonna end the fruits function. Yeah.
It's still gonna if I log the results, this is
No,
still
log them so that we can see what we have
Okay.
first.
Log results. Yeah. Because you want to print banana, pear, apple, and then pear, apple, and then apple.
Yeah. It's supposed to return something so that we can slice from those results.
So now it's saying slice is not an iterable, because if we call the fruits array, I mean the fruits function, okay, and then we call it with the rest.
Slice to have something like an array, since we're spreading on line 42.
On line 42,
That's why we're getting a type error.
Type error. So just log sliced quickly, because that's supposed to be banana, pear, and apple in an array, and then we're spreading it. It won't print there because it gives the error on 42 now.
No, it's fixed because we're returning on line 44.
Okay. Yeah. So sliced, and then we're returning the results. Okay. Okay, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes these things get confusing.
What? What's in the apples is going on here?
Hold on, like what are you trying to do actually? Can you
Okay, this is and this. Am I still presenting?
Yes, sure.
Okay. I want to have something like this. The first three, the last three, the last two, and then the last one. So this is where I was pushing the sliced, pushing the sliced, pushing the sliced, the sliced. Hello.
Can you please repeat that?
So this is this is what I have at the end.
Okay, the what you have
Last
returned.
three and then last two and then yeah, the results from the slides.
Is it frozen? Because I can't.
Okay. So I'm asking the last thing you printed here in the console. Is that how you want to print it? How do you want?
No,
Okay.
not.
So you want banana pear.
Apple, pear, apple, and then apple.
Okay, and then apple. Okay, so with that we can do okay, if it equals 1, but it turned it array. Okay, slice.
So it's going to be.
Okay.
Hold on. So it slices. Gonna be. I'm thinking because you see on when we slice, you put rest inside. So on the first slice, rest is gonna have what?
Banana, pear, and
Gonna have,
apple.
huh?
It's gonna have banana, pear, and apple.
On the first slice.
Yeah, on the first slice.
Okay.
And then when you call fruits rest, okay, and then it's going to say const rest equals rest dot slice from 1.
Yeah.
Okay, and then it's gonna slice from pear
Yeah.
and then apple. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
apple.
Yeah. And then we're calling sliced again with fruits. And then call it with that. And then we're slicing it again from apple.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking before you call sliced, you should push what you have, like move push to line 41 between the rest and sliced. Right. And then let's see what we get.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, do rest, not sliced. Inside the push. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
We have what?
Yeah, this one.
Remove the bracket on line 45.
Apple, pear, apple.
Apple, banana.
Banana, pear, apple. And
So
then pear, apple. Yeah.
It's this way, but they have to be inside
Yeah.
one array. Right.
Now it's banana, pear, apple. Now it's returning the first one. Oh, because I was logging.
Yeah. Look at that.
This is the sliced.
Okay.
It has apple, it has this, it has that. Yeah, at this point, I think I should just return sliced.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's saying apple. So you see the first results, they were coming from where? From slice.
Yeah, you love the sliced.
Okay.
Let's just do it with the for loop because I'm becoming impatient with this thing. So with the for loop, it would be like because most of the times when dealing with things like recursion, I do start by doing a for loop and then see afterwards.
Okay. Okay, so you want to get that output on line 43, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I guess we are not going to start from 0. Going to start from 1.
Yeah, just start from 1, and then just say,
Slice it.
yeah. Stop. Push.
Slice it.
R dot slice
Slice from I.
I. Yeah. And then return results.
Yeah.
Bill.
Yeah.
Hmm?
No,
what are we
spread
getting?
it on 37.
Okay.
All right. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
Okay, so I think we got the good grip on the
Yeah.
on the errors now. Yeah. It's just small things we forget sometimes.
Yeah. Are we doing
not gonna do it with recursion.
Yeah, I think we can. Now we can. I think now we can. Because we see that the only thing that changes here is the I. So might say R dot slice from 1 plus plus. Oh, return that. And then if R dot length is 0, return.
We can set the length.
Yeah. Okay. So now it's gonna be if R Return what? Just
What is this now? Oh, the base case for the recursion.
yeah. Else return
fruits.
fruits into R dot slice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so we're filling up that results array every time, and that results array needs to be inside every version of the function. So you don't want to set it to empty every time. So you can just say results equals an empty array as a second parameter. Okay.
For where?
On line 34, second parameter, you can just say
On line 4.
yeah, second parameter, you can say results equals an empty array. Okay, and then when you're returning fruits on line 42, and then you can say as your second parameter the results array, because we was pushing to that. Yeah.
Are we?
If you
So we're going to push this to results. This.
yeah.
But the 1++ won't work. Yes.
What will? Oh yeah. No, it will.
It will.
Why?
So when it comes back,
It's
it's just
gonna
be
slice from 1. Oh, and then it's gonna slice. Yeah, at first it's gonna slice from 1, and then it slices from 2, and then from 3.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do that. 1 is not a variable, it doesn't change. It's just gonna be 1.
If I say 1++, it's not gonna be 1 + 1.
No.
Plus 1.
No,
No.
I don't think so. You can check it. You can console log it and see.
So what are we returning?
But what I'm thinking is, if it calls that the slice again, it's just gonna be 1. When it comes back again, it's just gonna be 1. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So
we need a counter. We need a counter variable.
yeah, we need to count. Yeah.
So we want to start from 1. Okay. Now that counter variable needs to be the first parameter, otherwise you get maximum call stack size exceeded. Yeah.
So can we use the length of the results?
Length of the results. Okay, so we're going to slice from north, and then we're going to slice from 1. So we can say result dot length plus 1. No? Or what?
But the results on the second iteration is gonna be 3.
Yeah.
So isn't it supposed to be 3?
No. It is, but
you're not slicing from
3.
Yeah, we're not slicing from 3. Okay. Yeah. Results dot length. Okay. Let's see. Plus 1, plus 2. Sine, are you sure that base case on line 40 is supposed to be 0? Isn't it supposed to be? Okay.
I'm not sure. Just
emptying that array and then pushing everything inside of the results array. Huh?
Oh, it's not supposed to be 0 because orange is just gonna be there.
Yeah.
And we are slicing, we're not removing.
Yeah. So we can say we need to check the results.length then, if that is full.
Equals to,
How much did you want it? 6 now?
yeah.
Okay, that's 6. And then return results. Okay, so what we're doing on line 42, okay, just make that syntax right quickly. Yeah, just press enter before that second return. Yeah, perfect. So what we're doing there is return fruits with that. The thing is, I think on line 43 first parameter, I don't think you can push inside of that argument. Okay, you can maybe put the square bracket around it or something like that, but push has a funny functionality when you maybe on a return or something like that. Yeah, there's a funny type of thing. Yeah. Okay, and then you can run it. Let's just see what sticks. Cool stuff. So we're calling that.
Yeah, results is not gonna reach the length of sticks because they are not pushing anything to it.
Yeah.
Maybe you can push before.
Yeah, before that
after line 42.
And
then
yeah. Okay. Then the array needs to be sliced. Yeah.
Okay.
Is that the sliced array on 44?
On 44, it's not.
So yeah, you need to slice that. And yeah.
So let's slice again.
Hey, this thing, let me write it down because now I think it's confusing.
Yeah. And then,
so we slice it.
Yeah, it's slicing, but it's slicing weird.
okay. So then
could we put like results again on fruits? Because let's say we just slice from 1, we remove the results.length, then we slice from 1.
From 1 every time. Huh? Try that, yeah.
And then after that, after slicing, we push to results.
Yeah, no, it makes sense.
And then we're gonna take the results and put it on fruits, the newly pushed ones. And then when it comes back, it's gonna slice those and then push that again to results. I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah, try that.
Try that. Okay, try this first, and then we're gonna.
I think this one works. Let's see the outputs. Yeah, it's banana, pear, apple, pear, apple, apple. It works.
Yeah.
I think the problem. This was kind of like.
Okay, so just try on line 43, just say results.length +1 quickly. I just want to see how that will work.
Even if this because this did give us
Yeah.
correct outputs. Where should I put that?
Just before the one, just say results.length plus. Just see if it works the same. I don't know.
It's not gonna slice
Yeah, it's not gonna do that.
but you can try it on the
I
console.
did.
Oh, you did.
Okay, so how
I
come
think
that
that
doesn't work?
results
Yes.
at first is 0, and
Results
then
at first is 0, so it's gonna slice from 1. When it
Yeah.
comes back,
Yeah.
now it's the results.length is 3, so it's gonna say 3 plus 1, which is 4.
Oh
Okay.
yes, yeah.
4 is out of
Yeah.
bound. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So it's 1. Yeah.
Moving on. Yeah, this was it. You. So we are moving on to try catch. So with with the try catch,
Mhm.
you can use its own anonymous functions. You can not nest. You can nest try catch inside another try catch. So
Yeah.
you can do that too. But what is not advisable is that if, yeah, you see, I'm drawing an error on line 4, and then here, instead of logging the error, I'm drawing this error again. So this is not advisable. So with this, what do you guys think the output is going to be?
I say this is an no. It's gonna wait. The output now you asked. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna throw. This is an error, or console log. This is an error because it's the error
Yeah.
dot message, and then yeah, it's what is the error gonna be? Error, no. No, I think it's just gonna throw the error. Yeah, it just says error. This is an error.
Yeah.
It's
What do
not
you think?
Hmm?
What do you think?
Oh, I'm
Susie?
thinking it's gonna print this is an error, and then print execution done on finally.
Yeah, it's gonna print that as well. Yeah.
So yeah, this is an error, execution done. So what about if I say,
Oh, in the undefined, since the function
yeah,
doesn't return anything. Yeah.
yeah, and then comma is error that's error that's name. So what do you think is gonna happen now?
It's gonna do this is an error, and then next to it is gonna be error. The name is error.
Yeah,
Since only new error. The what is that? The class error, or the constructor error is the name of the error.
yeah.
That is gonna do execution, and then the undefined. Yeah.
Okay. What do you think, Rice?
Yeah, I think the same as Sibusiso.
Okay. Yeah. This is an error execution done. So what
Yeah.
if
So that error dot name is a I think it's just the name. Yeah. The error object. Yeah.
Yeah.
how about now?
Yeah, the name is gonna be type error.
Yes.
Yeah.
Since now you're calling the type error construct, it's gonna be type error.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what if I remove all of this and just throw? Maybe
Yes.
I just throw the statement.
So now, since we don't have any constructor or any type of an error, I'm thinking that error dot message is gonna be undefined, and then error dot name is also gonna be undefined. And then
So
after
it's undefined, undefined, execution done, undefined.
yeah,
What do you think, Rise?
Yeah, I think that as well because there's no constructor before on line 4. Yeah, we're not calling it with that constructor. Yeah,
Okay, let's see.
so it's undefined.
Yeah, it is undefined. So if I was to say console log the error, what is it going to output now?
yeah, it's gonna give us this is an error. Then execution done.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So I think with the try catch, you can't really practice.
Straightforward.
Yeah, it's straightforward. You can't really practice try catch using this. It should be inside the project, I think.
Yeah.
Because with
Yeah,
this, with
true.
I'm very specific with what I'm
Yeah.
trying to catch.
Mm. I think these pod sessions now are specifically for projects now because we're focusing also more on projects.
Yeah, I think
Oh, okay.
maybe a use case where maybe a previous project that we did where we use
Mm.
try catch, maybe we could use that to demonstrate its
Yeah.
use. Yeah.
Expose it,
I
Jason.
think
Yeah, like exposure JSON.
the only time we started the try catch was when I was doing those projects, and those projects take time to run and stuff.
Mm.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
take time.
Yeah.
So if we had, this is just if we had a nested try catch.
And that's the try catch. Okay.
Okay. So so it's going to be okay, it calls itself. Okay. And then yeah, it's gonna say inner and oops. And then finally, and
Mhm.
then on.
Mhm.
Yeah. And then outer. And then okay, that's the message. Yeah, just on.
It's gonna be inner oops, and then finally, and then what else?
Um on. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And then
Oops, finally on.
yeah.
What do you think this is?
It's gonna be inner
Mm-hmm.
and then oops
Mm-hmm.
on line 18, and then it's gonna go to line 20, which is finally, and it's gonna be outer And then the message is going to be on.
On, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Alpha on. Okay. Yeah.
Out on, yeah.
And then, yeah, it's gonna be like this. So now we're moving on to.
Okay, that is a good session. Okay.
Yeah,
Done.
we're gonna be debugging. Yeah, we're gonna be debugging this one. I couldn't think of another one because the latest projects require using Chrome and stuff, the web. So this was the one. And also it's gonna be like a revision because we did this with Teddy last week. So
with Teddy, so when?
Oh no, not with Teddy. Sorry, it's too sis.
Oh, I'm thinking it was we didn't have to. Maybe I missed it.
Yeah.
So let's take. He said we use line breaks. Yeah. Last week he said we use line breaks. We use. What is this thing?
What?
This is a line break. No, because where are the tools that are supposed to be on this side?
No, you have to run it first.
I have to?
You have to run it.
Okay, yeah. So last week we discussed there's the toolbar, this toolbar here. This is to stop the debugging, and then this is to restart. This is a step over, this is a step in, this is a step out, and then this is a continue. So yeah, we said last week, we said this is to step into the function, right?
Mm.
And then this is to step out of the function, and then this is step over. Yeah. So this is the call stack. This one stores the functions that were called during this, I think. And then this is the watch. If you want to watch a certain variable, like for instance, in this case, what can we watch? What's going to keep on changing? A letter. So yeah, a letter. And then when you run this, this here, the letter is going to keep on changing the value. And then this one has all the variables. This one has all the variables. So let me run this. What?
No, you clicked on continue, so it continued.
Oh, so this is continue.
Mm.
Okay. So where do you guys think is going to be the perfect spot to put a line break? To watch?
I think on the map. On the let me see. X.
Or you can put it on line 57, and then
input string. Okay. Yeah, I think line 60 or 62 or 57. Yeah, doesn't matter, because that input string we're just splitting it there.
Yeah.
Most. I mean,
Oh,
I don't know.
watching it.
Doesn't matter really. But yeah.
Yeah.
What is happening here? Letter is undefined at this point. Yeah, letter is undefined at this point.
Like that's the I think that's a bad place because here we are nesting dot map dot
Object
Yeah.
entries. Okay, so
yeah.
maybe the second map, the 62 one.
Yeah, letter
Yeah.
will be defined at that point, I think.
Yeah.
I
Uh,
was thinking maybe put it on line 57 and then use step over to go
Oh, okay.
step by step
Mm.
until 67, to demonstrate.
until 67, from line 62 until line 67.
Hmm?
From line 62, the breakpoint should be on line 62. And then on line 67. Is that what you were saying?
No, I was suggesting to put the breakpoint on line 57 and then so that we can use the step over to go line by line until we reach line 57 so that we can see what's happening inside the function with step over.
Line 57.
So I don't know if that's okay.
And then, and not watch any variable. We're going to check the variables on the variables.
Yeah, we can watch later as we previously did. Yeah. Yes.
Letter is undefined.
That's because you restarted the thing. Edit
Step.
don't watch.
Yeah, it's still undefined.
Yeah.
Now it's high there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's still high there. And then step out. So how do we, this was a step over. This takes you inside the function, right?
No, not step over. Step in. Step over takes
Step
you to
in
the
takes
next
you to
line.
the function, and then this one takes you out. If we had a breakpoint on line 77, nope, on line 72. So if we had a breakpoint on line 72,
Mm.
okay, if we had a breakpoint here, and then we used step into, this is going to take us.
No, like you see, step over takes you line by line.
Yeah, step over takes line by line. This
If
one
on
takes.
that line, if on that line, like for example, line 66, we have a function called assertion. We can use step in to go to that function definition assertion,
Oh yeah,
right?
yeah.
And then if you want to go back, you can use what is that, step out. And then if we have multiple breakpoints and then we want to go to the next breakpoint, we use continue. If we don't have breakpoints and then we click on continue, the project will just execute as normal and then end the execution.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Now I remember. So we were watching later. That's do it again. So we have this breakpoint here, and then we're gonna use step over to watch the.
No, you forgot to click enter on the letter so that it registered on. Yeah.
Okay, and then now it's
Split.
yeah, and then
Yeah, now if we're on line 81, we can use step in to go to the definition, function
yeah.
definition of assertion, and then
Okay.
now we are on the.
If you wanna go back, we're stepping out.
We're stepping out.
Okay. So we watched letters. What else can we watch before moving to the assertion?
I think we can watch Morse because letters is not going to change. It's just going to be the split letters. Maybe we can. Yeah.
So from where? We have Morse on this one. We also have Morse. So from line 57.
Yeah, but already it's on. So these are two functions. Okay.
Yeah, these are two different functions. If you watch it from here.
No, like on Morse to letters, you can watch letters, and then on letters to Morse, you can watch Morse because it's the resulting variable.
So you were saying on letters to, oh yeah, this is the result. Let's watch Morse. Remove the letters and have Morse. And then.
But you have to restart first because already letters to Morse is done.
Okay. So we are watching. Why is this function? Letters to Morse. We are watching Morse. It's undefined at this point. And then at this point, this is how it looks like. And then, yeah. Finally, it looks like this. And then, what else? We did, we have used step over, and then we have used step in.
Yeah.
If I was to put a breakpoint, yeah, and then I pressed step in, where is this going to take me?
It's just gonna go to the next line because there is nothing to step into.
Okay. So if I was to, where is it? If I was to put a breakpoint on line 66, and then I step in, where is it going to take me?
The thing is now it's the debugger is on line 82. So yeah. So if you do step in, it's gonna take you to the assertions function definition now.
Okay. So let's see. True. So yeah, we can remove this. Last time, what did we not do last time? It was the call stack, right?
Yeah, it was the call stack.
For this particular, for this project, let's
I feel like in order for us to demonstrate the call stack, we should have like multiple functions calling each other. you know,
Yeah.
Yeah.
so that we
Yeah.
can see each function going into the call stack and being popped and things like that.
Hmm.
So like if maybe we had a recursion.
Yeah, yeah. Like a recursion is a good
Yeah.
example to
Just
use for the call stack.
creative.
Like on our previous example, I think we used recursion. We could have just ran the debugger and saw how it behaves on the call stack.
Yeah. Okay. So see, now we're done now.
I don't know. I thought
Oh. Okay,
I thought
you can
to
continue
put
presenting your screen even if you're changing projects or anything like that. So
okay. So
yeah, I
yeah,
think we are done. We are done.
are we
Yeah, I need to go eat also quickly something. Yeah.
before load sharing? But
Mm.
but we wanted to see the call stack and then we're done.
Yeah, we can watch a video on that or something. I've done it before with Insalama, so yeah, I know how the call stack one works. And yeah, because I won't forget it because I was just surprised by it. So yeah.
Okay. So what's up?
Mm.
Why
I
is
don't
it
know. It's your call. This is your session.
what do you mean?
Yeah, we need to get done, man, for load shedding. So yeah, I need to also eat.
Yeah, we are. We are
Mm.
getting done. I just wanted to see the call stack and the break
Um,
and stuff.
Okay. Yeah, you
yeah,
can quickly do it. Put a breakpoint online for the 3 and run it. Let's see what.
yeah.
No, not line 43. Where can you put it?
I think
Line 36 or
where we keep on calling the function. Where is that? 141.
mm, restart. Uh, okay. Yeah, so there's fruits inside.
Yeah, there is. Oh yeah, because we only have one function that we keep on calling.
I was saying that it would have been good if we had multiple functions that call each other, because we were gonna see like the different names and stuff.
Yeah.
So I think maybe next time someone can prepare something like that to showcase the code stack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I'll send you that data right now as soon as I can. And then,
Yeah,
yeah,